Hi guys! For today's video, mag-a-unbox tayo ng air fryer. American Home brand. Black color in here guys. Let's see kung mahusay talaga hiya in actual. At what's inside with the air fryer. Look guys, streamer ba? Tawagan to oh. May recipe book na hiya. Check lang guys kung baga maarma ko kung anit nakada. May manual, instruction, how to use, may warranty card. Look, paano hiya nakabutang safety good here guys. Adjust pala, adjust. Look guys, ang ganda niya guys. Naka-indicate na din yung timer at saka temperature. Ang ganda ng kulay niya. Wait. Hindi kita maarang panbuksan. Look guys. Ang ganda. Thank you for watching guys. Hope you enjoy. See you for the next video.